Hello Anu, many happy returns of the day. God bless you. ईश्वर तुमको खूब आशीष दे और खूब तरक्की दे. ये एक माँ का आशीर्वाद है तुम्हारे लिए. और मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है कि जब तुम पैदा हुए थे तो संडे का दिन था और आज 50 साल के हो रहे हो, 50 साल के हुए हो तो आज संडे का दिन. ईश्वर ने तुमको बड़ी आशीष दे के भेजा है और हमारे परिवार के लिए एक बहुत ही आशीष का कारण हो तुम. ईश्वर तुमको खूब आशीष दे, खूब तरक्की दे बेटा. ये एक माँ का आशीर्वाद है.
A very happy 50th birthday to my husband Nitin Anuj Williams. Anu, I have seen you as a classroom buddy when we met in class 9th, and since then I have seen you grow into a handsome young man to reaching this age 50. In all these years, you have been a wonderful son, a wonderful husband, and a great and a responsible father. We hope that this 50th birthday gives you enough courage and determination to grow more in life. May you be planted like the cedars of Lebanon and like the palm tree as mentioned in Psalms 92 verse 12. Today we have portrayed some reflections of your beautiful 50 years. So please watch this video and understand your life better. May we all enjoy this video with Nitin.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की धुन पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा धुन उठा के दौड़ा.
यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे. यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे. सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिनों को पुकारे, दिल के द्वारे. ओ छेड़ो तराने मिलन के प्यारे प्यारे संग हमारे. बदले ना अपना ये आलम कभी, जीवन में बिछड़ेंगे ना हम कभी. हो बदले ना अपना ये आलम कभी, जीवन में बिछड़ेंगे ना हम कभी. यूं भी जाओगे आखिर कहाँ हो के हमारे. यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे, दिल के द्वारे.
Happy 50th birthday, Papa. On this day, I would just like to say a very big thank you. A very big thank you for everything. For your sacrifices, for you inspiring us, for you motivating us, and what not, and what not. You know, I would like to say something about you. You're the perfect father, you're a perfect husband, and you are a perfect son. You're a perfectionist. You're a perfect principal, Papa. And we look to you as a role model. thank you for being in our lives, and thank you for being a steadfast pillar of the Williams family. God is going to bless you, and God blesses you. You are in His choicest blessings, Papa. Happy birthday. For all the audience, thank you for joining us, and thank you for loving my Papa so much. Let us continue to the next part of our video.
जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गा के सुनाएंगे, हम तो सात रंग हैं, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे। जिंदगी मिलके बिताएंगे, हाले दिल गा के सुनाएंगे, हम तो सात रंग हैं, ये जहां रंगी बनाएंगे।
टाइगर अभी जिंदा है।
चल मोड़ दे उसका पंजारा।
सात आसमां चीरे, अब सात समंदर पीरे, चल सात सुरों में कर दे ये ऐलान। खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून, ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती, बीच में तेरा जुनून, रे सुल्तान। सीने में तेरे आग पानी आंधी है, मेहनत की डोरी हौसलों से बांधी है। सीने में तेरे आग पानी आंधी है, मेहनत की डोरी हौसलों से बांधी है। पर्वत भी तू ही और तू ही पत्थर है, जो चाहे तू वो ही बन जाए, तेरी मर्जी है। आंसू और पसीना रहे तो दोनों पानी, पर मोड़ के रख दे दोनों ही तूफान। खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून, ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती, बीच में तेरा जुनून।
कोई तुम्हें तब तक नहीं हरा सकता जब तक तुम खुद से ना हार जाओ।
Happy birthday, Papa. May God bless you with His choicest blessings, and may all your relatives, your friends, your mentors, your students, your teachers, we all give love to you at the same time right now. When we're talking about love, love is a very precious thing which you have taught us, and that love is undeniable. And in the next segment, as we're going to see the love of a couple, and I just want to say that you and Mama have been a very big example for what and how a couple should be. I especially thank you for telling me that a couple not only loves, but the couple also fights, the couple also makes up, and the couple lives forevermore. Thank you so much, Papa. And I've heard this great saying, and that says that anybody can become a father, but it takes a special talent to be a dad. So thank you very much, and once again a very happy birthday, and let's move on to the next segment.
वो रंग भी क्या रंग है, मिलता ना जो तेरे होठ के रंग से हूबहू। वो खुशबू क्या खुशबू, ठहर तेरे ना जो तेरी सांवली जुल्फ के रूबरू, तेरे आगे ये दुनिया है फीकी सी, मेरे बिन तू ना होगी किसी की भी। अब ये जाहिर सरेआम है, ऐलान है, जब तक जहां में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू, जब तक जहां में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू, जब तक जहां में सुबह शाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू, जब तक जहां में मेरा नाम है, तब तक मेरे नाम तू।
Happy 50th birthday, Nitin Bhai. I wanted to come and express these feelings personally in Jhansi, that we are so lucky to have you as a friend and brother. I wish you every happiness in life. You deserve the world. You are such an inspiration with your passion for family, children, and of course your leadership qualities. Happy Golden Jubilee birthday to a great friend and a bhai. Take care, bhai.
Hi Nitin bro, happy birthday dear. Turning 50 today, hitting half a century. A great milestone. And Jesus was holding your hand, helping you to walk. Let us be grateful to him. And you know, as far as I am concerned, you are one of my beloved friends, my brother. You are a person whom I admire, a person with a lot of talents, abilities, a lot of affection and love. A lot of things to admire in you, the way you move around, the way you uplift the spirit of other people. Now, there is a special vibe when you are around, you know. We all of us long for your company. You are a wonderful man. May God continue to bless you, dear brother. Enjoy your day, and we will meet soon.
A very, very, very happy birthday, Nitin Bhai. May your 50th birthday be the most wonderful. May you be showered by blessings, by love from all corners. May God grant you very good health and lots of happiness, many more achievements, many more awards in life, and you rise to the highest position with all your wishes coming true. I have known you from the time that we met at Jim Corbett, and it was since then that I knew that there was something that clicked. And it's been a wonderful journey knowing you, the kind of fun-loving, affectionate, emotional person that you are, always caring about everyone, and finding your little joys, making the journey together with all the friends so wonderful that we all enjoy having you around. May God always give you very good health and lots of happiness. Enjoy your day, enjoy your year, and have a wonderful, wonderful 50th birthday. Happy birthday once again.
Happy 50th birthday, dear Nitin Bhai. Wishing you a golden celebration for this golden milestone. You have touched so many lives with your kindness, humor, and wisdom. I am lucky and proud both to be one of them. May your next chapter be filled with good health, laughter, peace, and love. Cheers to your 50th fabulous year and many more to come. God bless.
Hi Nitin sir, wish you very happy 50th birthday. May God bless you and a wonderful family with all the happiness and success of the world. Believe me, meeting you was a cherry on the cake, and looking into your commitment, dedication, hard work, besides sound knowledge base, singing talent, sense of humor, everything really filled us with great joy and delight. And I came back after the trip to HI University Bangalore with so many cherishing memories, So on your 50th birthday, I pray to the Lord Almighty to shower His choicest blessings on each member of your family, and keep touching lives around and keep impacting the educational ecosystem of your region, because it's a very noble profession, and I know that that you are very committed and dedicated the way you are really touching the lives of children, so that's amazing. So wish you and your family a very, very fulfilling and rewarding time ahead. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Thank you.
Dear Nitin sir, wish you a fantastic 50th birthday filled with joy, love and laughter. You're not just a colleague but a true friend, dynamic, dependable and always ready to lend a helping hand. Your positivity uplifts everyone around you, and your unwavering motivation is an inspiration to us all. May this milestone year bring you even greater success, cherished moments with loved ones, and all the happiness you so richly deserve. Here's to celebrating the amazing journey so far and the wonderful adventure still to come. Happy 50th birthday, stay fabulous, stay unstoppable. With warm wishes from Zareen ma'am. Thank you.
Happy 50th birthday, Dr. Nitin. Today we celebrate not just a milestone birthday, but the incredible impact you have had on countless lives through your passion for teaching. Your innovative ideas, both in the field of education and the sports, have transformed the process of learning. Here's to many more years of inspiring, guiding and shaping the next generation. May your birthday be filled with joy, health and celebrations. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Pops. Half a century. That's a lot. Today, we are not just celebrating your birthday, we are celebrating you. 50 years of love, joy, laughter and wisdom. You are my guide, my strength, my protector and my biggest cheerleader. I honestly don't know what I'd do without your endless support. मैं हमेशा याद करती थी कि आप दादू को पॉप्स से बुलाते थे. I learned it from you. You've taught me a lot of things. You've taught me how to always be kind, to stay strong and to always keep going no matter what. So here's to you, Pops. To 50 amazing years and many more to count. Happy birthday. Love you more than words could ever describe. Also, picture abhi baki hai.
कोई नहीं मेरा जरूरत तेरी लागे ना जिया देखो ना जो सूरत तेरी तू है तो दिल धड़कता है तू है तो सांस आती है तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता तू है तो डर नहीं लगता तू है तो हम आते हैं तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते किसी के हो नहीं सकते तू है तो तुझसे मेरा जीना मरना जान तेरे हाथ में 100 जन्म भी कम क्यों लागे तेरे साथ में मैं मुसाफिर तू मुसाफिर इस मोहब्बत के सफर में दो अकेले रोए मिलके दोनों रब के घर में, साथ तेरे ना सफर वो सफर नहीं लगता। तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो गम आते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं, कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते, तू है तो। अब तो फिर नींद ना टूटे कभी, सांस छूटे हाथ से पर हाथ ना छूटे कभी। मैं ना समझ नादान हूँ, आके मुझको थाम ले, लागे मुझको रब बुलाए जब तू मेरा नाम ले। तू समंदर गहरा है, सागर नहीं लगता, तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो गम आते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं, कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते, तू है तो। हाँ हाँ
I belong to my family.